a time where flagship devices are crossing price tags of $1,000, the budget flagship market is one of the hottest segments of the market. Ever since the launch of their first device, OnePlus has maintained their crown as the flagship killer. Now, with the launch of the Honor View 10, Honor aims to steal the crown from right under OnePlus' nose. The Honor View 10 comes with the latest specs and a ton of other features. But apart from all that, the device comes fused with an integrated NPU for efficient artificial intelligence features. And at a price tag of just $30,000, the Honor View 10 offers a staggering value for money on paper. But does the device actually live up to its expectations, and does OnePlus finally have a worthy competitor? Let's find out as we bring to you our in-depth review of the Honor View 10. The Honor View 10 comes with a simple packaging, with no unnecessary hassles. The box feels premium and the unboxing process was quite satisfying. The box itself has the device and all the basic stuff that you'd expect along with it. The only thing missing from the packaging were a pair of earphones, though it has kind of become a standard amongst smartphone manufacturers to not include them. When you're using a device, the overall user interface can make or break your entire user experience. The Honor View 10 ships with Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box with Honor's EMUI skin on top of it. Before I talk about EMUI, it is worth noting that the device does come with the latest version of Android, which is quite frankly a nice touch. The View 10's main competitor, the OnePlus 5T, despite boasting of great hardware and near-stock experience, comes with Android Nougat only, with the beta builds of Android Oreo to be released soon. As such, the Honor View 10 scores above the OnePlus 5T, at least in terms of having the latest Android version. Now that we've addressed that, let's dive into EMUI. My past experience with EMUI was on my Honor 6X, that debuted with EMUI 5.0 based on Android Nougat. Drawing comparisons with the same, the Honor View 10 with the EMUI 8.0 on it feels exactly the same. There are barely any visual changes between the two OCs, except for a few added tweaks. The EMUI 8.0 skin is essentially EMUI 5.0 powered by artificial intelligence, which happens to be the key point of the Honor View 10. Finally, EMUI 8.0 brings forth the inclusion of AI into the OS. According to Honor, based on machine learning, EMUI 8.0 allocates resources dynamically to give more CPU and memory to the apps actually used in order to ensure a smooth experience. Now here's the thing, at the time of writing this review, the device was barely a week old. Machine learning is great, but it is supposed to show its effect in time. The whole idea of embedding machine learning AI onto the device coupled with an NPU was to ensure that the device lasts longer than an ideal device that would start showing signs of slowing down in a couple of years, give or take a few months. Although I was able to notice slight improvements here and there after a week of usage, the device was still pretty much new, so there isn't enough concrete evidence on my part to state whether the company's claims are right or not. That being said, my first impressions were certainly in line with Honor's promises.